What is going on, peoples? We got another vlog for you guys today. Unfortunately, the videos from our first few weeks of our season, along with kickoff, are missing. For the reason that this flash drive has decided to malfunction on us and has died, but we do have pictures, videos, and other files for you to see in this vlog from our build season. So, here we go! The season began on January 6th with the official 2018 kickoff video for First Power Up. After brainstorming with fellow teams in breakout sessions, we went back to our school to come up with strategy and robot design ideas as a team. Using these ideas, the design team went to work on creating the blueprint for all the robot's parts. They used a program called CAD, Computer-Aided Design, which is used by engineers who design anything from planes to rockets. Based upon the blueprints, the build team would create these parts with a variety of tools ranging from drill presses, electrical saws, clamps, metal sanders, a 3D printer, and the newly acquired CNC router we purchased and used in last year's season. With the help of some parents, the build team constructed a mock-up of the field so that the drive team could practice. So let's take a look at some fabrication.